In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of prepaid expenses in Odoo. So we have the transaction of 4th of January, which says advance rent paid for 6 months by cash. $1,000 per month is the rent of the shop, and we have paid the $6,000 in advance for all the coming 6 months. Now you can see here that our expense is not 6,000 here because we have paid for the future expenses. So the future expenses which is not consumed yet is called a prepaid expense, and it is considered as an asset for the time being. And it will only be charged as expense once the benefit is consumed. So let's say after the end of January, the rent for that specific month will be charged at $1,000, and it should be reduced from the prepaid credit which we have built as a current asset. So if you already have a concept of prepaid rent or prepaid expenses, that's great. Otherwise, you can just refer to this document with the resources section of this video so that you can properly understand how the system works, what is the definition of it, and how different treatments are done along with the examples. So just check that out. And to record this, we are already in the accounting application. I just need to go in accounting tab and click on journal entry and click on new journal entry. Just adjust the date. Date is of 4th of January. And advanced rent, I need to create a prepaid expenses account. First of all, I just clicked on more, and let me just search for it if we already have one. We can sort it by type as well if we want. So prepaid expenses is here already under 128,000 as a current asset. If you don't have it, you can create it on your own, but let's choose it here. Partner, no partner is applicable here because this is not for a specific customer or a supplier. Let's copy the narration from here and paste it in the labels. Just make sure that you reduce the extra spaces. 6,000 is the amount. On the second line, we have paid this in cash, by cash, as you can see here. So let's write cash here, cash in hand, copy the same narration, and it goes automatically on the credit side. So now the debit and credits are balanced. Let's click on post entry because this is saved as draft. Click on post entry. And just make sure that under the accounting, if you check the journal entries, it should appear in the posted entries. So here it is. Under the reference, I should also paste this description. Otherwise, I won't be able to know what this entry is all about. So it's better to mention this as reference as well. Reset to draft. And now let's paste it here. And let's click on post because it is moved to draft again, and now we can post it again. Let's go to the accounting and click on journal entries. And now you can see the entry is adjusted. So this is how we can deal with the prepaid expenses in Odoo. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.